A rough idle usually shows up when the engine is running but the car is not moving. You may notice the RPM going up and down, the steering wheel vibrating, or the engine sounding uneven. This happens because the engine is not getting the correct balance of air, fuel, and spark. One of the first and easiest checks is the vacuum system. Vacuum leaks are a major cause of rough idle. Check for cracked or loose vacuum hoses, broken PCV hose, whistling or hissing sounds. A damaged vacuum hose lets in extra air, confusing the engine computer. Replacing a cracked hose is cheap and often fixes the problem instantly. Next, check the dirty throttle body. When carbon builds up, the throttle plate can't open and close smoothly, especially at idle. Quick fix: remove the air intake hose. Spray throttle body cleaner, wipe gently with a clean cloth. This simple cleaning can dramatically improve idle quality. Another common cause is a dirty or failing mass airflow sensor, MAF. The MAF tells the engine how much air is entering. If it sends wrong data, the engine struggles to idle properly. Quick fix: remove the MAF sensor. Use only MAF cleaner. Never touch the sensor wires. After cleaning, many cars idle smoothly again. Worn spark plugs or weak ignition coils are also major rough idle culprits. When a cylinder doesn't fire correctly, the engine shakes. Signs include misfire codes, poor fuel economy, engine hesitation. If spark plugs are old, replacing them is one of the best maintenance moves you can make. Fuel problems can also cause rough idle. A clogged fuel injector or low fuel pressure leads to uneven combustion. Quick checks: use fuel injector cleaner in the tank. Listen for injector clicking. Scan for lean mixture codes. Injector cleaner is inexpensive and worth trying before deeper repairs. A faulty idle air control valve, IAC, can make the RPM rise and fall at idle. This valve controls airflow when your foot is off the accelerator. Cleaning the IAC often restores stable idle. If cleaning doesn't help, replacement may be needed. Another overlooked cause is a bad engine temperature sensor. If the sensor sends wrong temperature data, the engine may run too rich or too lean at idle. Symptoms include rough idle when cold, high idle RPM, poor fuel economy. A scan tool can quickly reveal this issue. Don't ignore engine mounts. Sometimes the engine is running fine, but broken mounts make it feel rough. If the vibration increases when shifting gears or stopping, worn mounts could be the issue. Finally, always scan for trouble codes. Even if the check engine light is off, stored codes can point directly to the problem. A simple OBD scanner can save hours of guesswork. To summarize the quick fix order: check vacuum hoses, clean throttle body, clean MAF sensor, inspect spark plugs and coils, try injector cleaner, check idle control components, scan for codes. Fixing rough idle early prevents bigger engine problems and saves money.